Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play two-player in GT7. First, you'll need to ensure you have two controllers connected to your PlayStation console. This mode is exclusively for local play, meaning you'll be sharing the same screen with a friend. It's a fantastic way to enjoy racing head-to-head without needing an internet connection for both players. Once your controllers are ready, head to the world map in Gran Turismo 7. Look for the 2P split screen icon and select it. From there, each player will choose their favorite car from their garage. After car selection, you can pick a track and customize race options, such as the number of laps before hitting the starting grid. For a smooth experience, make sure both controllers are fully charged and properly connected before you start the game. The controller you use to navigate the main menus will automatically be assigned to player 1. When you enter the split-screen setup, the second connected controller will then be recognized as player 2, ready for action. It's important to remember that the two-player split-screen mode in Gran Turismo 7 is designed for local play only. This means you cannot play with friends online using this specific feature. It's all about the classic couch co-op experience, allowing you and a friend to race side by side on the same television screen for some friendly competition.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.